You just bought a new jet ski or Sea-Doo, but now you're standing there wondering how to hook it up and back it up without messing something up. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your trailer the right way and how to back it up like a pro, even if it's your first time. Hi, I'm Kevin with Green Country Adventures. I ride a 2026 Sea-Doo 325 RXTX. I'll show you exactly how this is done step by step. First, you need the correct hitch size. Most jet ski trailers use a 2-inch ball. That's the standard. Make sure your hitch matches that. And I've got a link in the description to get the exact one I use so you can get it quick. Start by backing your vehicle up close, but don't try to be perfect. Jet ski trailers are light, you can easily move them by hand. Push the trailer forward and center it directly over the ball. Now use the crank to lower it down onto the hitch. I like to go all the way down, then lift the front wheel up and lock it in place. If it doesn't seat properly on the ball, lift it up a few inches and drop it. That usually locks it in perfectly. Once it's seated, close the latch on top to lock it onto the ball. Then I always add a secondary lock just for extra safety and theft protection. I've got a cheap one linked below that works great. Next, connect your safety chains, cross them underneath the hitch like this, so if anything fails, the trailer stays supported. Then plug in your trailer lights, go turn on your hazards, and double check everything is working before you leave. This part is critical. You need tie-down straps on the back of your jet ski. If you hit a bump without them, it can bounce right off the trailer. Now there are two different options you can use here. The first option is the standard tie-down straps. These are the ones you manually hook on, tighten down, then take off and store in your car every time. I'll show you exactly how those work. Start by hooking the strap onto the trailer on the back right side first. Then bring it across and connect the two center hooks onto the back of the Sea-Doo. After that, take the other end, hook it into the left side of the trailer. Now use the ratchet to tighten everything down. You want it snug and secure. Make sure it's locked in place. If you got any extra strap hanging off the end, wrap it around or tie it off so it's not flopping around while you're driving. But honestly, there's a much easier option. You can install retractable tie-down straps that mount directly onto your trailer. These stay attached, pull out when you need them, and retract back in when you're done. So you don't have to mess with storing straps in your car or dealing with loose ends. They're super easy to install, and they make this whole process a lot faster and cleaner. And if you want to grab the exact ones I'm using, I've got them linked in the description below. When driving, go slow and take wide turns. Always remember, you're longer now. Give yourself more space than you think you need. Before you even go to a boat ramp, practice. Go to an empty parking lot or a quiet street. Here's the key: small movements. The shorter the trailer, the more sensitive it is. If you turn too much, you'll overcorrect. Watch your mirrors. When the trailer starts showing up on one side, turn your steering wheel the same direction. Take it slow, make small corrections, and just practice until it feels natural. This is what it looks like side to side, so you can see exactly how the steering wheel movement affects the trailer. When you get to the ramp, don't rush. Pull over into the staging area first, get everything ready before you go down. Unplug your trailer lights so that they don't burn out in the water. Remove your straps and store them in the vehicle if needed. Then make sure your plugs are in. This part is very important. And if you're new, I've got a full beginner's guide linked below that walks you through everything you need, including the gear required to make sure you're legal on the water. When you pull up to the ramp, pull forward and turn sharply so you can get completely straight directly in front of the ramp. You want your vehicle and trailer lined up straight before you even start backing up. It's way easier to start straight than to try to fix it once you're already backing in. Now just back up slowly. No sudden movements or jerks on the steering wheel. Use your mirrors and keep it straight. Now one quick thing to watch out for when backing up: if the trailer starts turning too far, you can jackknife it and damage your vehicle or trailer. If it feels like it's getting away from you, just stop. Pull forward until everything straightens out, then reset and back up again. It might feel slower, but it's way easier and a lot safer than trying to fix it once it's too far gone. I back mine until I see the Sea-Doo start to float, and you can usually feel or hear it when it begins to lift off the trailer. If you have a second person, you can unhook it early, back into the water, then give it a quick stop and it'll slide right off. They can start it and go wait for you. If you're by yourself, like I usually am, back all the way in. When you're ready to unhook it, here's the easiest way to do it. Put a little pressure on the ratchet handle, like you're tightening it just slightly. Then there's a small latch right here, press that down, Once you do that, the handle will flip and start moving the opposite direction. Now you can loosen the strap and unhook it from the Sea-Doo. After you disconnect it, make sure you re-lock the latch so it doesn't come loose when you pull back up the ramp. Then I usually push the Sea-Doo off just a little bit so it's easier to reverse. Before I back away, I like to throw on my dock bumpers real quick. This just protects the sides from getting scratched up while you're at the dock. I've got these linked below, and I also did a full video showing exactly how they work, linked in the description. Then park your vehicle, come back, and you're ready to ride. If you're new to jet skis, I've got a full beginner's guide on how to launch, how to ride, and what gear you need to stay legal. Check these out next, they'll save you a lot of headaches. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.